Mike in Tokyo with a look at what's moving Japanese stocks.
But the exporters getting hit by the strong yen, Haslinda. The yen rising against all 16 of its major trading counterparts. It reached a 7-week high against the dollar. That's hurting consumer electronics makers, in particular Sony, which gets half of its revenue from the US and Europe. Shares down 1.6%. Panasonic off by 0.75%. Canon down by 0.25%. Sharp, though, is rising. It's 0.25% higher. It is selling used equipment to a Chinese company to make LCD TVs. Nanjing Panda buying the 6th generation gear. Sharp's going to help it build a TV factory, and it's also talking to Panda's parent, China Electronics, about setting up a TV joint venture in China. Sharp saying TV sales in the country will rise 3.5% in the year through March 31st, while demand drops in Japan, Europe and the US. The Nikkei newspaper says Toshiba's chip business will probably return to operating profit this month and also this fiscal quarter. It says flash memory demand is recovering, helped by the popularity of devices like this, the Apple iPhone. Toshiba's shares at the moment up 1.1%. Now, the Nikkei also says Fujitsu is seeing solid demand for chips that go into cameras. Fujitsu shares up by about 1/5%. Elpida up 1%, and the Nikkei newspaper saying that its memory chip business is going to return to profit this month on a monthly basis after 2 years of losses because of recovery in DRAM prices, dynamic random access memory that goes into PCs. We're seeing a lot of cut-price netbooks on the market at the moment. We just heard that Google and Sony may team up to put the Google net surfing software into Sony computers. Haslinda, back to you.
All right, Mike, thanks so much for that.